Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here with another series of one drawing but in different styles. So as you guys love my series of 4 different styles drawings, then I might be posting more of these. So subscribe to my channel to see more. So today we're going to draw Bonnie from Five Nights at Freddy's in 4 different styles. So let's get started.
Afraid, I believed in all their lies. I believed that I was safe and that I would never die. Now I'm all alone, I've been hiding in the dark. I just want to go home, but my deeds sent me too far. I often do pretend, can't you see I'm broken down? I wish this were the end, but I continue, I vow. Now I'm all